Hi, I'm Heather Kaye, violinist, educator, and creator of the course Discovering Oskar Rieding, Essential Violin Concertos, and Pieces for Violinists. If you've been waiting to play a violin concerto, but you thought you had to be a virtuoso to do so, I have something special for you. I've created a free downloadable workbook to go along with Rieding's Violin Concerto in B minor. A beautiful and expressive piece that's approachable for violinists that are studying in the world of Suzuki Book 3 and 4. Inside the workbook, you'll find a guided practice checklist, some journal prompts, and study goals to help you make real progress in a short amount of time. You don't even have to think what to practice. It's all spelled out for you. It takes out the entire feeling of being overwhelmed. Just easily print it up, put it on your stand, and follow the prompts. Playing a concerto doesn't have to be out of reach. This piece will show you how expressive, musical, and powerful you can sound right now, exactly where you are. Download the workbook below. You can find the link in the comment or in the description. And if it resonates, go ahead and check out my course, Discovering Oskar Rieding, where I walk you step by step through Rieding's most enjoyable and powerful concertos, concertinos, and other recital pieces that would help benefit you as a violinist. It includes tutorials, printable workbooks, and play-along videos. Get started by clicking the link in the description. Happy practicing!